Hey there guys, and welcome back. You know, it is Christmas morning of 2021 and I just went outside and I was shoveling the driveway because it snowed, and hence why I've got the dark glasses, because they tinted on me. And I realized, you know what, I'm not in the shop today. I'm not out here filming. I'm not out here working. I spend Christmas Day with my family. And when you really look at it, I have two families. I really do. I have my immediate family, being my wife and my daughters and their significant others and my granddaughter and my mom and etc., etc. And you know, it's nice to have family at Christmas. But then the second side of it, or the other side of it, is you guys. Really, I put a lot of time and a lot of effort. I do my best to provide a quality production here on YouTube. I've been doing this since 2013 with the main goal always of helping those of you out there who'd like to get into woodworking, or showing you something that you may not have seen before. And I have so many regular viewers that come by on a weekly basis, twice a week, to give up sometimes half an hour of their personal time to hang out with me, watch what I do, and leave their comments below. And in a way, you guys have become kind of like my extended family. All the effort and all the work that it takes to produce this show is worth it 100% because of the interaction that I have with you guys and girls. And you know, honestly, I can't let Christmas Day go by without taking some time just to come out here and say thank you, and to say Merry Christmas to each and every one of you, to you and yours and your family and your extended families, your children, your grandchildren, your nieces, your nephews, your uncles, your aunts, your moms, your dads, your grandparents, everybody. I wish you all the happiest of this season. Merry Christmas to all of you. Whatever you celebrate, may your celebrations be just wonderful, safe, happy, and healthy. This is the time of year, and it should be all year round, where we appreciate our loved ones. Hold them tight, guys, because you never know, with all this craziness in the world, you never really know what tomorrow is going to bring, do you? And really, nobody is promised tomorrow. So those that are with you now, love them and hold them tight. Those that have left you, remember them with fond memories. And honestly, guys, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. I thank you so much for all your dedication to the show. It means the world to me. Have a safe and happy holidays. All the best, guys.